two titans of privacy, NordVPN and ProtonVPN. Which one really delivers? On the left, NordVPN, top-tier speed and features for advanced users. And on the right, ProtonVPN, a privacy-first VPN with an unbeatable free plan. Let's skip the buzzwords and look at what really matters. Every category earns points. At the end, you'll see clearly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Okay, here's a quick mind map of what we're looking at. First, price and free plan. Then, speed and performance, privacy and security, server network, streaming and bypassing, features and customization, and finally, ease of use and support. Ready? Let's jump into price. First up, price and free plan. So NordVPN, honestly, their long-term plans are pretty competitive, and you'll find a ton of discounts floating around. But no truly free plan here. There's always that slightly higher base cost unless you catch a promo. Now, ProtonVPN, this is where it gets interesting. They've got probably the best free VPN plan out there. Unlimited bandwidth, no ads, and super upfront pricing. But heads up, the free version is a bit stripped down. No torrenting, and your options are more limited server-wise. Still, if you just need something solid without paying, ProtonVPN takes it for price and the free plan. Let's talk speed and performance. NordVPN just smashes it here with the NordLynx protocol. Like, seriously, if you're gaming, streaming in 4K, it is super reliable. Though speeds can dip a tiny bit if you're connecting to far-off servers. ProtonVPN is honestly no slouch. The paid plans are pretty quick, and they've got this VPN accelerator trick for better long-distance speeds. But uploads can be a bit inconsistent, and in head-to-head speed tests, NordVPN still edges ahead. So, in terms of raw performance, NordVPN is our winner.
Now, privacy and security. NordVPN is rock solid. RAM-only servers, threat protection, tracking blockers. It's based in Panama, which is privacy-friendly, but it's, not Switzerland. Enter ProtonVPN, based right in Switzerland, which, by the way, is kind of the gold standard for privacy laws. Their apps are open source, they've got a full independent audit, plus things like NetShield and SecureCore multi-hop servers. The only catch? No RAM-only servers on Proton. Still, the transparency and legal privacy edge puts ProtonVPN ahead this round. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. ProtonVPN's free plan doesn't have any sneaky data caps. It's actually funded by donations and paid users, so everyone gets a shot at free private VPN. That's pretty rare these days. Moving to server network. NordVPN has a big network, over 8,200 servers in 126 plus countries. Plenty for most people. But ProtonVPN straight up doubles that. 15,000 plus servers. Same global coverage. That's a huge, diverse fleet. So if you care about lots of connections and geographic spread, ProtonVPN wins here. No contest.
Now, let's chat streaming and bypassing. NordVPN really stands out. Their Smart Play and Smart DNS tech gets you into Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and most others without any weird workarounds. Streaming just works, and it's reliable. Downside, you can't do this on their free plan. You gotta pay. ProtonVPN has a stealth protocol which is awesome for bypassing censorship and works with many streaming services, but not all. And yeah, free plan users, you're out of luck for streaming. So, NordVPN takes this one if streaming is your jam. On to features and customization. With NordVPN, you have MeshNet, which lets you create your own virtual LAN. Great if you're into gaming or file sharing with friends. Smart DNS is included. You can grab a dedicated IP for yourself, and there's the usual VPN customization stuff. But, slight letdown, apps aren't open source. ProtonVPN, meanwhile, is big on open source. Love that. You get port forwarding and stealth protocol, and there's VPN accelerator, but no smart DNS, and dedicated IPs are business only. For most users wanting features and cool extras, I'd say NordVPN is a bit more flexible. Winner, NordVPN. Last but not least, ease of use and support. NordVPN's interface is just so smooth. Honestly, it's easy to use, whether you're a beginner or pro, and if you get stuck, boom. 24/7 support. ProtonVPN is also super user-friendly, and I really like how clear and upfront they are about privacy practices. Only thing, support isn't totally around the clock. Still, for most, this is basically a tie. They're both making things easy, just in slightly different ways. Let's line up these results on a radar chart and get a quick look at who leads in each category. You'll see NordVPN spiking in speed, streaming, and features, while ProtonVPN shines in price, privacy, and server numbers. Both are pretty well-rounded, honestly.
So, if you want the absolute best speeds, streaming reliability, and a ton of premium features, NordVPN is your pick. But if you're all about privacy, want the transparency of open source, or just need a killer free plan, ProtonVPN totally wins out in those areas. It really comes down to what you need most.
Ready to pick your VPN? For speed and streaming, NordVPN's got you covered. If privacy and a truly free VPN matter more, give ProtonVPN a try. Either way, you'll be safer online. Links in the description. Check them out and let me know which one you go with.